Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do reading for fire sign Leo. How do they feel about you, your person feelings, and this is general, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this is timeless when you are going to watch this video, and this video is for you. So let's see Leo, your person current feelings. How do they feel about you? Leo, fire sign. Your person feelings Leo. So let's see, this is general, keep it in mind. The Magician, Two of Cups, Three of Pentacles. Sometimes Magician is manipulator, sometimes, not all the time. Definitely you love this person, your person also loves you, but there is no equal give and take. Definitely I think it is you give all the time and your person not giving as much as you. Definitely one person giving more and one person not giving, because Three of Pentacles, I think you both want to work on this relationship. Definitely if you both work on this relationship, it is going to next level. Definitely one person manifest this connection again in their life. So definitely your person, I think your person thinking to manifest you in their life again. So let's see their actions towards you. The Moon, yeah, definitely there are some issues. Judgment. Judgment. Four of Swords. I think definitely your person hides something from you. You maybe hide something from your person. Definitely there are some issues. Definitely your person thinking about this connection a lot rather than taking action. Right now your person may be at some meditation state in near future. Definitely Judgment. So those who are abused or who are suffered in this connection, they will get justice. Definitely Judgment is here. For some there is third party situation, children are involved, that's why the Moon card is here. Definitely those who want reconciliation with you, there is a chance, definitely, because the Judgment is here. Two of Cups, love, but for some there are some issues still are going. So let's pull some cards from universe. Leo, Eight of Wands. Yes, communication. Definitely your person want to communicate to you. Communication is coming in your way. Death. Yes, your person. See, let's see last card for the reading. Wow, Six of Cups, lot of water energy. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely you feel strong soulmate connection with this person, or past life connection. Definitely there is some transformation is going in your person life. You are their wish fulfillment. After the transformation, I think they realize your worth. Definitely your person want to communicate. Definitely near future you will get communication from them. Definitely Leo. So if you want reconciliation, there is chance for reconciliation also. So choice is up to you, definitely, because the Moon is here. Four of Swords. Definitely if there is no equal give and take, you have to say to your person clearly, I want this from you, so whatever. So this is the reading for you Leo. Definitely will get communication. So hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys. Bye.